Welcome to this video on secondary storage. This video will cover Chapter 4, Secondary Storage. Secondary storage is also known as an auxiliary storage device. The ability to save or store information is an essential feature of every computer. RAM, or random access memory, is volatile primary storage. It is temporary and cannot store data when the computer is off. Losing electricity results in the destruction of its contents. ROM, or read-only memory, is non-volatile secondary storage. It is permanent and can store data even when the computer is off. The mechanism of secondary storage involves two main processes: writing and reading. Writing is the process of saving information to secondary storage devices. Reading is the process of accessing information from secondary storage devices. Media or medium refers to the actual physical material that holds data and programs. Capacity indicates how much storage media can hold. Storage devices are the hardware that reads and writes to storage media. Access speed or access time measures the amount of time required by the storage device to retrieve data and programs. Floppy disks, also known as diskettes or floppies, use flat, circular pieces of mylar plastic coated with magnetic material to store data by altering electromagnetic charges. Tracks are rings of connecting circles without visible grooves. Each track is divided into invisible wedge-shaped sections called sectors. A traditional floppy disk is a 3.5-inch disk with a capacity of 1.44 megabytes. 2HD stands for two-sided high density. When the write protection notch is closed, files can be saved to the disk. Hard disks use thicker, rigid metallic platters stacked one on top of another. They store and organize files using tracks, sectors, and cylinders. A cylinder runs through each track of a stack of platters, with one read/write head between two platters. A head crash occurs when a read/write head makes contact with the hard disk surface. Internal hard disks are fixed disks, often referred to as a C drive. A 20 gigabytes hard disk is equivalent to 14,000 floppies. External hard disks, also called removable hard disks, are easy to remove. PC card hard disks are available for notebooks with capacities up to 5 terabytes. Hard disk cartridges for desktop computers have capacities from 10 gigabytes to 20 terabytes. Hard disk packs are removable hard disks with massive storage capacity, often exceeding that of a single hard disk. A disk pack with 11 disks provides 20 recording surfaces and is common in mainframes, resembling a stack of vinyl records. Disk caching and redundant arrays of inexpensive disks, RAID, are performance enhancements. RAID expands external storage using hardware and software that anticipates data needs. File compression increases storage capacity by reducing the amount of space required to store data and programs. Examples of file compression software include WinZip and WinRAR. Optical disks include compact disks, digital versatile disks, and Blu-ray disks. Optical disks use laser technology to provide high-capacity storage. Their surface has flat areas called lands and bumpy areas called pits. They are available in various sizes. Common optical disc sizes include 3.5, 4 3/4, 5 1/4, 8, 12, and 14 inches. The typical size is 4 3/4 inches. CD, or compact disc, has a storage capacity of 650 megabytes to 1 gigabyte. A 24x or 24-speed CD drive can transfer 3.6 megabytes of data per second. CD-ROM, or compact disc read-only memory, cannot be written to or erased. CDR, or compact disc recordable, is a write-once, read-many WORM format. CDRW, or compact disc rewritable, is also known as an erasable optical disc, allowing for both writing and erasing. DVD, or digital versatile disc/digital video disc, has a storage capacity of 4.7 gigabytes to 17 gigabytes, which is 17 times more than CDs. DVD-R, or digital versatile disc recordable, and DVD+R are two competing write-once formats. DVD-RW, or digital video disc rewritable, is also known as an erasable optical disc, allowing you to write and erase data. HD-DVD, or high-definition DVD, has a capacity of 15 to 45 gigabytes, capable of storing up to 8 hours of high-definition video. Other types of secondary storage include Blu-ray, also known as BDs, which have a capacity of 25 to 50 gigabytes and support high-definition format. Solid-state storage devices have no moving parts. Flash memory cards are credit card-sized, solid-state storage devices widely used in notebook computers. For example, digital cameras use flash memory to store captured images. Magnetic tape uses sequential access, meaning data is accessed in a specific order. Mass storage devices are specialized, high-capacity solid-state drives designed to meet organizational demands for data. A file server offers large storage capacity and fast access for data retrieval. A network-attached storage system, or NAS, is a type of file server that provides storage to computers on a computer network.